think I'm playing with you?
Oh, you can stop this now.
I'll slap you.
I'll
disown you now. I'll disown you. You're not my sister. I'm sisterless.
See how you're embarrassing me. See how you're embarrassing me.
This person I sent to school. He's not going to school. She's sleeping around. Since you want to die. Yeah.
Now, Oyibo, this is too much now. She's your younger sister, for Christ's sake.
Why are you embarrassing me? Why are you embarrassing me, sister? I'm a big girl, oh. I'm a big girl. And I'm a baby.
I'm going to tie your neck like this. Yeah? I said I've disowned you. I'm sisterless. I don't have sister again. Are you deaf?
Please stop this.
I'm not going anywhere. This is your war room that it is even killing me.
Okay, so the fan in your room is not working again?
Is it working?
That fan in your room is not working.
Fan, I say you fix it.
Oyibo, stop this. She's your sister. Oyibo, she's your sister.
Fan that I repair 800 naira. She has bought it again.
She's your sister. Your younger sister, for Christ's sake.
Okay.
I'm not managing here with you.
Did I call your name in this matter?
Oyibo, stop this.
It's okay.
Oyibo, stop this.
You see? You want to kill me when you kill yourself. You die first.
Obi, it's okay. It's okay now.
You see? Wait. I've been hearing Obi since. Wait.
Is your name not Obi?
You are still talking. Don't even try it. Don't ever try to come up here again. My name is Saul.
That's the person I defended from the village. When she first came, her name was Obiageri. Now she has changed her name to Salt. Salt and Pepper. One.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, I will not want her again.
Oyibo, please.
I'm not going.
I'm my witness now.
She's your younger sister.
I don't care. I don't care.
Put someone have peace in this compound.
See the way she's talking. I will not want her again. No.
Oyibo, you slapped me.
No, I did not go to you.
What did I do this morning now?
Your cheeks came to my hand.
It's okay.
Your cheeks came to my hand.
What did I do this morning now?
Your cheeks came to my hand.
That's just
Just because I said it's okay. She's your younger sister. Oyibo.
I don't fully do like this.
It's in this compound. Oyibo, it's okay.
No, tell her.
It's okay. It's okay. Oyibo.
Since you don't reach now, waiting now. Leave her. Sorry for her.
Oyibo.
Your cheeks came to my hand again.
Oyibo, you slapped me again.
Your cheeks came to my hand again.
You're calling me Obi.
Obi, please go. Come and go.
Go now.
Please go.
I will go, no problem.
Go now. Look at what you're doing to me this morning.
You will regret it. You will regret it.
Obi, please.
Your cheeks came to my hand again. I took it to me.
Oyibo, what did I do now?
Good for you.
What did I do this
Why
morning?
you calling Hobby? Hobby what?
Oyibo, it's okay. It's okay.
Come back on this thing.
Oyibo, what did I do in this compound? What's someone happy?
You are still going close.
What's someone happy?
Continue.
Obi, Oya, please, let me help you.
Only my shoe, please. Is my food ready?
Yes, you are a whore. Dennis, you are a whore. But trust me, you will regret this. No, bet me.
What's the meaning?
You will regret this. Nonsense.
Why did you slap me?
No, you will not.
What? Oh, this is hot. This is a hot slap. What's this?
I be over Sabi, I tear eye well. Na wrong side day, I no need personal device. Anyhow I want to make na my target. Oh, baby, one day he go tell on you. You hear? One day he go tell on you. All the wrongs you they do. One day he go tell. If you like to leave school, they parade. One day he go tell on. They change men like clothes. One day he go tell on you. I be master, money no be my matter. Oh. Make I enjoy life, life will no
What is this? What is that? I asked you to sew me a gown for my traditional wedding. And my wedding is tomorrow. What is this? What am I going to do with this?
Hi, very fine. This thing I'm looking at you. The problem you're having now. It's just belt. You're looking beautiful.
Oh, but what is this now? What is
very
this?
Fine. All you need now is just your makeup and your hair. Bam. You stood out. Your prince, your husband will be looking at you like Kim, come.
Oh, you but don't just lie. Don't even start that lie. This was not the style we showed you that day.
No. It's the exact style.
You should have told us you won't be able to sew that particular style. What kind of a tailor are you, Ibo? Who showed you different style? I asked you to sew me a long gown for my traditional wedding, and it is tomorrow. What is this? What is this? Oh, we'll see now. See.
Go. Don't be sorry about that. My God. My customer. I'm not going to be angry. This cloth now, the only thing I can see now is the belt. There's no belt in this cloth.
Oh, you asked me to give you this work.
Go.
Because you needed it to pay for your house rent. Now look at, see, this is what I get. This is what I get.
I put belt for you now. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't easy for you to come here and come and be angry with me. You'll have just looked for belt and put belt. You put belt now.
What is that?
Belt.
What is this? Go straight. What is this now? Stop it. What's this now? You've spoiled the cloth already and now you want to tie her with pants? This is not belt. This is not belt, Oyibo. This is not belt.
I don't do many things, but I don't settle for one. I be professional tailor. If you see me,
Oyibo, what did you do to my sister? Oyibo, what have you done to my sister, Oyibo? Oyibo, are you this wicked?
it's not true. You if you see me anywhere, call me Oyibo.
What kind of thing is this? Oyibo, you will pay for this. You will pay.
Because not true, you talk. Tailoring na my work, Oyibo. The international tailor, I go.
Hello. How are you? Please, if you're done with it, whatever you are doing, just come. Please. No, just come. Just come.
Babe. Talk to me. What just happened? Babe, what did I do? What have I done to deserve that kind of slap from you? That slap was hot. Why did you slap me? Huh? Why?
What? Get lost! Nonsense.
What have I done to deserve that kind of slap from her? What?
Carry one girl, carry the other one. You won't enjoy yourself.
That is so unfair. How could your own sister do that? In front of neighbors? Oh no, that's not fair.
You see this thing what she do? She must regret that. No be me. Now me now. Now me they help gather boys. When they want intimidate them for this time, me they help gather boys. Make boys go fight for her. The same boys where they gather, make them fight for her. And she talks and they sleep with them. No wahala. I know that she must regret her for this time. They must deal with her for me for this time.
It's okay. Don't say that. She's still your sister.
No. She not be my sister again, no. I don't the sister her. Which kind of sister be that? Just embarrass me anyhow in front of neighbors. If you just come out, just separate.
Come on. You both are still sisters. How would your mother feel if she hears you saying this?
Just imagine. They talk say she dey suffer for me. Like say me, say I no dey suffer for her. I know how many times when she go spoil people clothes. I go let that money make she use buy the material back. My hard money I go lend that to her.
Dikeh, she don't appreciate me. No, hello. You see me now, I go there on my own. Make I see as hunger, I go there keep me for this town. You know they possible now. Hunger not keep me for this town. You know what happen? You know fit, I go train myself. I go graduate. Last, my body go hear her. I'm not even send again, self. What you concern me? I no send. But I must make her, and I go show him. See now, because I manage that her one room with them. That her one when not even there inside, just empty house. If you see everything house big, nothing there inside the house. Now only food just there for ground. I manage it down. My sister that you, she dirty anyhow. She dirty. You self if you leave it. I manage her smell, her odor, the ooze. The manager, she just come back from work. Straight, she will just go lie down for bed. She don't go bath for. Now me go see come work and she go bath. Be here, go bath. I don't even want to do that house again, self. When you hit, they kill me every time.
It's fine. I know you're hurt. But you both will make up in no time.
Make which up?
You were here when my sister called.
See you now. See you and your sister. Now they born. Now be like best friends. It's my own sister. Saint. Now Saint now she be. Any other person, they evil. Now only her holy pass. No problem. She must suffer for this town. I go hear her gist. Okay, she go so spoil people clothes, and they will deal with her.
We are here. I come to give my money. Give her my money. Which money? Give back my money. What is this? What is this? How do you expect me to wear this? I don't understand. Which currency? Which money are you talking? Naira, or you go give back my money. For what? For what? Sir? So you are here talking to her. Let's take from our shop and go. Let's take what? Take what? Take what? You are you mad? Are you mad? I'm coming back for you. I'll come back for you. Hey, come. Better take the cloth and go like that. I'm not the one that said you should lose weight though. Because your size when I measured you. Am I the one that said you should lose weight? Am I the one that said you should lose weight?
You still there here to think? Yeah? If she say make you come here, you go see him now.
Salt. I just can't process why this man keeps making my sister cry. I mean, I even told her not to get married to him, but she wouldn't listen. Now look at it. She has to cry every day.
Sister, men are animals.
You can't say that again.
Not be all of them sharp. And some of them. Anyway, she tell you what the problem be this time?
No, she didn't. She just asked me to come and that was about it. She said we're going to talk about it when I'm there. But I already know.
Anyway, when you go see?
Right. It's okay. Yeah, I'll just go dress up and hurry to house.
Make I come with you.
No, it's fine. I'll see you at school.
You sure?
Yeah.
You saw say go do alright.
I'll be. I'll try.
No one try.
Okay, I'll be alright. You can be very caring sometimes, you know.
But you know, sir, they caring now.
I beg.
Now just say streets make me just like say. And they very caring, you know what I mean?
I know.
Be fine, yeah?
I will.
I know make you enter then I begin to think.
No, I won't. I promise.
Okay.
Thank you.
Come for fun, tell you how it take go.
Sure.
Come you.
I will. Take care of yourself.
You too.
Oyibo, look at my son. You went to the house and they say you've gone to the shop.
I'm here.
Oyibo, look at the kind of clothes you saw for my son. Can you imagine?
How are you? You're looking good.
Is this boy looking good now?
What's wrong with the boy?
You're not seeing the kind of nonsense you saw for my son.
What's wrong with the uniform?
Oyibo,
what's wrong with it?
Everything is wrong with this uniform.
Yes, we went to the school and they sent him away. Yes.
You are very foolish.
Eh?
This boy went to the school. The school sent him away for uniform, and you are here abusing me instead of going to fight in the school.
I should go and fight.
Yes.
For your mistake.
My mistake.
I should go and fight.
What is the mistake? Show me the mistake.
The mistake is the clothes. Now you're not seeing it. See. Look, see the way my son is looking.
If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international seller. My name I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me anywhere, call me Oyibo.
Hand 48. What do you want me to do? I should add shoulder. Which shoulder will you put the shoulder that I will add? Somebody did not have shoulder. He said I should put shoulder in his cloth. Where will you wear the shoulder? Where will shoulder stay? I'm asking you. Eh? You are very ungrateful. See the economical outfit I did for your son. So that your son will wear it. Primary 2, you wear it. Primary 3, to see sizing. Primary 4, perfect size. Primary 6, perfect fit. You will not sew uniform and go until you finish. That's thank you that you are giving me.
Oyibo.
Eh?
Thank you for your economical clothes. I don't want it. Eh? You have to redo it. Yes, redo this.
Go and come back in 2 weeks.
I should come back in what?
In 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Oyibo, why are you this wicked
Because
now?
I'm very busy.
You are
Many
busy.
customers have brought their clothes. I'm a very busy person. I'm very busy, especially the people that don't appreciate good thing. This uniform that fit this boy. Yeah, my son. Yeah. The problem with this uniform is not the sewing, it's the fitting. How can this uniform fit this boy when your son?
Oyibo,
Chin up. Okay, Nafu. I don't have time to argue with you because
what are you doing now?
You want Shobele? You want the boy to wear Shobele to school? I fixed it. My brother. Chin up.
Oyibo, redo this clothes. I don't like it.
Go and come back in 2 weeks.
I cannot come back in 2 weeks. Redo this clothes. We want it tomorrow. My son will go to school tomorrow.
Okay.
Oyibo, you don't want to redo this clothes.
It's fine. Go like
You don't want to redo this clothes. No problem. No problem. Don't do it. Eh? I'll call my brother for you. You know my younger brother is an Agboro. I will leave this matter for 2 of you to settle to it.
Go and call him now. Go and call your brother that is an Agboro. You want to threaten me with Agboro? You don't want to tell me this is you want to tell me now you have come with Agboro.
No problem.
Go and call Agboro.
No problem. Since you want trouble, I will give you trouble.
I'm waiting for your trouble.
I will give you trouble.
Okay.
Archie, let's go.
Since you want to threaten me now
Archie,
with
let's
Agboro.
go.
Go and call your brother.
You.
Go and call your brother. Archie.
Trouble.
Fine boy. Chin up. It's your size. To fit you if you chin up. Burn straight and chin up. That's it. He said he's going to go and call Agboro. Go and call Agboro. Archie, just keep chinning up as you are going. Chin up and go. Burn straight. Yes, my boy. That's my boy.
If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international seller. My name I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me anywhere, call me Oyibo.
Baby, what is it? You're not looking happy.
My wife. She reacted to me the way I didn't expect.
Okay, baby boy, you're here now, so let's not talk about your wife. Come here. So tell me, since it's still early in the morning, let's get over with the morning exercise so you can head to the office.
Come on, let me show you what I can do.
Show me, baby. Hey, sis. Sis! I'm here. Can she even hear me? Sis! Look at you.
How are you, baby?
Fine. I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
You did?
Oh, that feels
You
look
look
good.
I do?
Sit down. You look so good.
Thank you.
I'm sure you're still doing your lecture, so.
Of course, I take my lectures. Oh, please don't bring your big sister's sermon. I take my lectures, but then I keep my swag alive.
I see.
Please, very important.
I see.
Sis, please.
So, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
No, you don't look it. You look like you're trying to hide something. I know you, sis.
Don't worry. Actually, I wanted to know if you can help me with Mama's stuff because I called her this morning that I will bring it to her.
Oh, well, that depends on when you want to get it across to her. Because I have a very tight schedule at school this weekend. So, as long as you can wait till next week.
Okay. In that case, I have to go by myself.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
But that's by the way. I still want to know, you really don't look bright. You're my sister. I grew up with you and I know when you're sad and trying to hide something. I'm not falling for these smiles. What is it? Let's see.
Nothing. Just hold on.
Why is she so sad?
Oyibo! Where is she? Where is she? She's joking. Who's that useless woman? Find her! Find her! See, let's pack our things and go. She'll look for them later.
No. There's no need for that. She's the one I want to see. Let's wait. She might be around.
I know her house. It's just close by. Let's go there. The house, better. Yes, let's go look for her.
If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international seller. My name, I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me anywhere, call me Oyibo, the international seller. I go answer because not true you talk. Tailoring na my work, Oyibo, the international seller. I go answer because not true you talk. Oyibo business life getting many chapters and fashion. Today oversized, tomorrow na overtight. The next thing you see am dey hide. If no be ami go be agboro. This life will get as e be. To make am no easy at all. Still call me Oyibo.
So tell me, baby boy, are you still going to the office today or you're going to spend the day with me?
Oh, baby, you know what? You've trained me. You've trained me totally. But one funny thing is that I'm more stronger. I have enough strength to work today.
Oh, that's my baby boy. So tell me, baby.
What?
What was it she said? What did she do to you?
Maybe I told you I don't want to discuss about that any longer. Okay? Please. You know what? Just get up and dress up. So go downstairs and take some drink.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
I don't feel like getting up from this bed. Baby,
What?
that reminds me. Have you seen my pants? I mean, I've been looking for it since yesterday.
You know that's the only pant I came here with.
Your pant?
Yes.
That sounds funny. Hey, don't worry yourself about that, okay? I'm going to get you a dozen of pants. Huh?
Oyibo, come out! Oyibo, come out! Oyibo!
Keep up.
You go here. Oyibo! Oyibo, come outside! Oyibo, come outside!
She's not around.
Oyibo, come out here! Oyibo!
She's not around.
Oyibo! You cannot hide! Oyibo!
She's not around.
She went to her shop.
I don't believe both of you. Are you sure she's not inside your house? I don't believe both of you. Are you sure she's not inside your house?
No.
Let me see.
You go to the shop, she's not there. Where is she? She's in this house. Where is she? Oyibo, come outside!
I don't believe both of you. I don't believe both of you.
Oyibo! She's not in the shop. Oyibo, come outside! She's not around here. She's not around here. She's not back here. Oyibo, come outside! You cannot hide.
She's not around.
I don't believe both of you.
She's not in the shop.
Now go.
She's not there.
Go. I'm not going to me.
Oyibo, come outside! Come outside, Oyibo! You cannot hide. Oyibo, come outside! Oyibo, come outside! She's not here. Where's Oyibo?
She's not come back here.
She's not come back here. She's in this house. Oyibo is in this house.
She's not come back here.
She'll come out today. She'll come out pay for damages. I think she's in this house.
Oyibo is in this house.
Oyibo is in this house.
Oyibo
must come out today. She must come out. She must come out. You guys are hiding her.
You guys are hiding her. No.
Okay.
She's not come back here.
If I eventually find out you guys lied to me, you people are gone. I will make sure I deal with you people.
Okay.
Have I make myself clear?
Okay, sir.
Let's go.
We'll come back.
Yes.
But she's not come back here.
Let's go.
She's not come back here.
We're going to our shop now. We'll come back.
We'll teach her the lesson of our life today.
Trouble, my sister.
Big trouble.
Is that what you want to get across to Mama? What is this? Sis, please. Don't tell me you still wear this. Jesus Christ, sis, this is old school. Who wears something like this? I don't mean to hurt your feelings, sis. If you bought this for me as some sort of gift, I don't like it.
When I saw this pant in my husband's trouser last night.
Excuse me? Jesus Christ! And I even touched it! My goodness. What could he possibly be doing with a woman's pants? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
I regret this marriage. Oh. I am regretting. How could Dennis do this to me? Dennis is a womanizer. Dennis, I know. What did I do? What should I do? What?
I'm sorry, sis. I don't even know what to say. But you know what? It is not too late, sis. He only paid your dowry, but you're yet to wed. Just go ahead and call off the wedding. Yeah. I mean, if you're already seeing this early, it just means he's not the one. He's going to put you through hell, sis.
Okay.
It's not okay. It's not. It's not okay, sis. Women only...
Tell me, why Dennis doing this to me? Am I not okay for him?
You are.
I want to know, am I not?
You are. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Just go for your lecture before you go late, please.
I know. Are you chasing me away?
Oh, I'm not, but the lecture. See the time.
The lecture is not important. How can I possibly leave you like this?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're not.
I'm fine.
I know you.
Look at me.
I'm looking at you and you don't look fine, sis.
So sister, where she can go now? Huh? Just because call the fall around for you. But at the best, so you know me now. So she knows me. I go come here and she run. I catch her.
Where's she? Oh, she has packed her thing. She has packed her thing.
Wait.
Are you looking for Igbo too? Yes. Have you seen her? For where? I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her.
Wait. You miss her or Nadon come here before? Yeah. Eh?
We came here, she wasn't here, but her things were here.
Hey! Sister, see me can tell you if I catch that guy, I will kill him. Hey, bro, nobody tell you to talk here. You know that my frustration now one second they come. Oh, that the person put the log.
Oh, you see? I told you let's pack our things and go. I told you. Hey! Well, you both just disappeared. She's not even there. She's not in her house. She's not.
She's not. We'll go back again. Go back again. See her.
Hey! Shut up. Why are you shouting? Madam, anytime you see her, call me on phone. All these fake tellers. I need to teach them a lesson they will never forget. Let's go. I want to finish. I'm not going to meet me.
She the run, ba. She the run. Wala, if I come here next time, catch her.
She's not picking. I don't know how God can bless me with this kind of useless sister. After everything I've done for her, now I need her help. She's not picking. Huh? Yeah, hello? Abby, I want to talk to you. Yes, She cut the call. She cut the call. Agboro and Ami is looking for me in my shop. I'm calling this Mumu girl to bring my things for me. She has cut the call. Eh? Because I cannot stay in this city again. I cannot stay. I will not go back to the village. I don't have anything I'm wearing. One cloth. Eh? One cloth. I cannot stay. Hey,
it's good I meet you. I'm going to your shop.
Oh, you're going to my shop?
Yes.
Oh.
You didn't mean it well. After all I explained to you, the clothes is still holding me by the waist.
Still holding me by the waist? No, I don't have time for that one now. And the problem might be just you're eating too much.
Meaning? Please don't even start that with me. I've had it up to here. I'm wearing that clothes to your wedding tomorrow. And if you try that with me, I'll make you run out of this town.
It's not to that. It's not to that, Sine. It's not to that. Oh. You go to my shop. Bring the cloth. Go to my shop. I meet you there. I will amend it for you.
Fine. Let me help you with your machine so you can come.
You want to carry my machine?
Yes, I want to help you.
To the shop?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, carry my. Hey, no. The man that used to repair my machine is down the road. I want to get the man the machine so the man will oil it.
Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for you at the shop.
Yes, I meet you there. Oh. I cannot stay here. Huh? I've run for Agboro and Ami. Okay, now. He has started to threaten. Biko, I'm going to the village. I meet you in my shop. Oh? Yes, I meet you there now.
Baby, I'm so happy we're spending the whole day together.
Yeah. At least I'm not going to work today. Thank God it's Friday.
So tell me, are you spending the night with me?
Not really. I have some things to settle at home. Then we can meet up.
It's okay. I totally understand.
Are you sure?
Yes, I do.
Are you angry?
No, or not?
Sure.
Baby, I'm coming. Let me use myself. Okay?
It's okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
One day he go tell on me. All your chitty. One day he go tell on me. Carry one girl, carry the other one. One day he go tell on me. You want enjoy yourself. One day he go tell on me. Oh, one day he go tell on me. No supportable, oh. One day he go tell. Because everything they return, oh. One day he go tell.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. My name is Denko.
My name is Uju.
Nice name. Uju. Yeah. Can I at least get your number? Maybe call you later.
Oh, no, that's not possible. I think you are with your wife over there.
Wife? Yes. Oh, she. No, she's my younger sister. Yeah, my younger sister.
Really? I'm not a cheap girl. Excuse me.
Carry one girl, carry the other one. Day he go tell on me. You want enjoy yourself. Be tester. Oh, one day he go tell on me.
How much did you miss me?
So very much. So,
Is this your husband or your boyfriend? I think you need a rope to tie him.
What? Who was that? No, tell me, Dennis, what was the meaning of that?
how am I supposed to know? Meanwhile, what was that buffoon talking about?
She said, I need to get a rope and tie you.
As a cow? Do I resemble cow? Am I a red bororo?
Listen, Dennis, I don't know what you're playing at. But you see this game, you won't like it.
But babe, I don't even know that girl. I don't even know what she's talking about. Idiot. Babe?
Welcome. That was so fast, man. Please come in. Thank you. It's not easy. I know.
Oh, you've got a nice place here.
No. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please come and sit down.
Okay.
Oh, man. Please come sit down. It's good having you. Thank you. So, what about your husband?
He's fine, but he has gone to work. Ah, I know, right?
Please, let me go and drop your box in your room. I'm coming down. We need to talk.
A whole lot of cheese.
A whole lot. All right.
Okay.
Hello. Come in.
I will not take it. No! You keep lying to me. How can you tell me you didn't tell her anything and she's acting to you the way she did?
Baby, I've told you to forget about that girl. I've told you this.
I won't believe you. You know why? Because the last time I came here with my girlfriend, you went ahead to ask her out. Why is it that you don't have respect for me? Then tell me why.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that, and I promise you that it's not going to happen again. Okay? I'm sorry.
It's okay. You know what? No problems. I know I'm not your wife and I do not have the right to judge you. No, yes, that's the truth. But it's fine. Tell me, what is it that girl is going to give to you that I'm not here to give to you? Why am I not enough for you, man? Why are you like this?
Babe, come on, give it to me the way you used to give it to me, okay? Come on.
Then stop.
No, you like it.
Then stop. Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on, you like it, okay?
Stop.
This life will get us easy. To make them no easy at all. Still call me Oyibo, the international.
Hey, stop there. Stop. Why are you running? Hey, come here. Why are you running?
No, I'm not running, sir.
Then where are you going?
Your customer is calling me there.
Which customer? Stop that! Wait, come back here. It's a tailor. Hey, auntie, I beg. If you help me do this thing for me. Hey, tell her, Abi.
Yes.
Help me.
Okay, sir.
Help me.
Okay, sir. Hey.
What?
The machine is spoiled.
Okay, your machine is spoiled.
Yes, sir.
You can go. Let's go and find another person before we go to the balance.
Thank you, sir.
Still call me Oyibo, the international seller. I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me, call me Oyibo, the international seller. I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me, call me Oyibo.
Seriously, Salt, for her to keep calling as much as she's done, probably she has realized her mistake and wants to apologize for it.
I know they go anywhere. I say I know they go. Why should they call me? Tell me sorry. Huh?
Salt, don't be this mean to your sister.
I don't pick her. Why should they call me now? Huh? Maybe she got enter one problem now. Should they find who go rescue her? She can't remember say, oh, I get one sister like that, so when I come I no go pick.
Babe.
And she see me so I don't dress finish. And they go see very important person. Man, we correct so.
Babe, don't be this mean to your own sister. Do you know I had to leave everything I was meant to do today to attend to my sister? You won't even believe what she told me. We'll talk about it when we are home. My goodness.
Waiting don't happen again. Your husband don't start.
Babe,
no, they had them now.
That man know they try. He know they try.
Don't do. Hold on.
At the verse.
What's for me? My sister.
Gift, my best friend. Baby girl. This is for you. I brought you this. No, please. I am not here. But thank you for your husband, please. Yes, this is for you. And besides, he don't tell where you come. I've missed you. Okay, we'll do the wine later, but plenty gist there. They begin gist me. So, you know, it's not easy being single. It can be so frustrating. Hey, Gift. Marriage is not as sweet as you think. Yes. I beg, don't even say that. I'm telling you, sometimes you feel like regretting why you even married. Like me now. Well, it's okay. I see. You are trying to discourage me from getting married. Okay, why will I want to leave or regret ever getting married? Why I'm living so well with my husband?
Gift. She won't understand.
She's not around.
She's not around.
So where then is she? Because we've been to her shop, we couldn't find her.
She's not around.
Okay, did she perhaps tell you where she was going?
Obi or Salt, did you return to look for your sister?
Yes.
I can't catch your papa on top of mama for you.
Hey.
The craze where?
Salt.
Abby, Asas. Say here, say this. I'm not gonna blame you now. You don't wear trousers.
Salt. Why are you being harsh? Calm down.
Yeah, just a blow grammar. You see, I'm not. She's not to join the blow grammar too. No, she's not wrong. I know this baby. She knows how to speak.
Obi, I'm not the cause of a problem. If you like, change your name to Maggie, Pepper or Salt. It is none of my business. As you see me, so I know the look face.
Even like that, if I change onto Salt or Pepper or whatever, I no go say I give you, no go garnish your food.
Salt, calm down. That's not why we are. Sorry, darling. We are actually looking for Oyibo. Yes, we came back to look for her.
Don't be weird. Now she's the maybe she can't ask you.
Okay.
See where are they your house?
Okay, I said I decided to come and ask you. Please, where can we find her? Did she tell you where she was going? Or...
My sister, Oyibo don't enter prison.
Excuse me?
So if you won't find them, go to the nearest police station or army barracks.
Why would she be in a police station or with the army?
She's been having issues with one lady like that. She even came here with an army man, looking everywhere. They said they've gone to the shop, they did not see her. They came here, they didn't see her. So they went back to the shop again. So I don't know, maybe they found her and took her to the police station.
Ah, no! Salt! Did you hear that?
I hear her well. I don't tell you. I'll tell you the person where me I know. Go don't enter one way, say. Now you make and they come to rescue him now. I don't tell you. Where she did here?
Salt. She is with the army or in a police cell.
Now why you good? May they help me deal with them. May they mend them for me. Beat them where?
Salt. It's the army we are talking about. You know how rough those people can be. Do you want them to...
Now why want they rough handle them? They rough when they rough handle them for me. It's as it be. She come down small.
No, we have to get her out.
How want they do her?
You need to call the police station or the army or call her number. Let's see who will pick up and then tell us what to do.
You're confused. You know you hear what they talk. Send an army. Call who, by the way? I know anybody for army. Who I want call? Oh, you just say they're abroad. When you call 911 and Naija will day. Which number you want call?
Okay, call her line. Let's see who will pick. We can start from there.
Which police? I beg, I know they call anybody. Move they go. Make them help me rough handle them for there. Make them mend them way.
Are you serious?
They have sense for correct. Because she too they worry, she too they talk. When I deal with her, when she come out, that her size is going to reduce.
Mama! Mama, she's going back, oh.
Chibo, oh, you Mama, back. Is this you? Mama, it's me. What a sudden visit.
Very suddenly.
You didn't even inform me that you are coming.
Mama, I did not even inform myself that I am going. I did not even inform myself. You see this Momu girl I've been calling since. Huh? Hello? Who is this? Hey, Oyi! Hey! Oyi! How far? Police station. I'm in the village. No, I'm not the police. I'm in the village. Oyi, you see this my two left leg? It will never near the city again. Never. I've been calling that your Mumu girl to pack all my things and bring them to the village for me. Now only one cloth I wear. Biko, help me tell her. You know, by the time you mention it to her, she will hear you better. Yes. Thank you. Also, thank you. Okay. Bye-bye. Mama.
Did I hear you say police?
Yes.
And that you're not going back again?
Never. These two left leg will never go there again. It will not go there. Mama, it's a very long gist. I'll give you the gist. But Biko, is there food in the house? I have suffered. Thank you.
My sister, you'd never buy even ordinary bread.
Did you know the police are just police station problem? I just escaped in the city. Like all bread. Mama.
I ran. Mama!
Oyibo.
Mama, Biko, give me food, Biko. Biko, give me food. My enemy have struggled to get here. I say I will not die in the city. If they are going to handcuff me to be in my father's house. I have suffered. I have suffered. This quarrel, Allah, all bread. Hey, tell that machine well.
Babe, you need to beg, God, me, I beg. Did they give me headache?
Babe, please.
Which kind of talk with that?
Come on, babe, don't be this mean to your own sister. She managed to escape this town with her life. The least you can do is what she requests of you.
I know they do me. I say I don't go do her.
Why?
Because she look me finish. Me salt. Come here on scale. I don't go do her.
Salt, come on. That's in the past.
It's not in any past. Stay close. I'm maybe the last person who will carry myself. Say I won't carry her nonsense. Can I go give her? I know they go give them anything. You see now where the real runs go start. Bet me. I go first or you go marry. I go first and make money. She come here on scale. Just I there for her house.
Okay, until then, can you at least help her out? She said she only has one dress on her in that village.
How it they concern me now?
She's a woman, she needs to change, she needs
and
to
now
shop.
they ask you how it they concern me.
She's your sister.
You should know. Which kind of sister be that?
Your blood.
But she don't change her. You don't concern me. I don't go anywhere. Make I go that village. When I did sure say she could not use that her stupid mouth. Talk anyhow about me to my mother. She don't talk very horrible things about me. You see, make I carry myself go there. I don't go anywhere.
What if she didn't?
I know I'm not my sister. Person who I know very well. Person who I grew up with. Forget that thing. I know I'm.
Salt, please. I'm begging you.
I don't know when you start.
Listen to me.
Wait. Where she bring that key? I beg, open the door.
Oh, Shimo. What is all this? How? Why is my daughter suffering like this? Eh?
Mama, people should allow me to go to the city and go and fight for my sister. Eh? Why would they treat her like this?
Are you mad? Eh? You're talking to the city and go and fight too. Since that I ran away from plenty police, plenty army. You want to go there and go and fight? Yeah. Do not tell them that you know me. Do not even tell them that you saw me. Idiot. Oyibo. Mama. Does it mean you didn't learn that work very well or what? How? Did I used to sew clothes for you in this village? Did you used to complain? Did you used to complain? Huh? My suffered, that's it. Let me finish this food so that I can explain to you the way I suffered.
So, the city people cannot settle things without involving me and police?
Bam! Never. Ha! If you just do small thing, put ghetto in their trouser, or you put one shoulder part, and you left the other one, so that their shoulder will balance. They will call police. You just see police coming to you with two shiny bangle. If you do not look very well, you will not know it's not bangle, it's handcuff. Hey, Mama. Come on.
You will make it in this village. After all, Okute makes it here.
Yes!
You will make it.
Who is Okute?
Maazi Gente's son. He came back to the village the same way you came back. And he's by the market side, sewing for men. You your own, you will open women's shop here. And you'll be sewing for women. You open your own shop and be sewing for women.
Exactly.
Mama, you still allow me to go to the city. Let me go and fight for her. Eh?
But you want to...
The international tell I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me coming, Oyibo. The international tell I go answer because not true you talk. Anyhow, I know say I must make
go.
If city no favor me, village go
This is even my lunch set.
People will love me, they go see another version of Oyibo the hustler. I know they give up party.
You want to go to the city with your share head? You think that place that you're going to go to? The policeman that even wanted to arrest me, I say, let me give him goat. He said he does not want goat. That bone is too much in goat. That he wants ram.
Ram?
Now where will I see money for that?
How? Oyibo, eat.
Where will I see money for ram? Say, if I bring a full goat, the only thing that you can use there is the head for a show. Where will I see money for ram? Eat. And this useless boy here is asking me for bread. I'm still very angry for that bread that he asked me for. Because he don't know how I rig my road until I got here. Like squirrel. Obina! Sister? Come here. Hey. Because now you have 10 baby and you want to fight me. You want to fight me now? No. Because you have 10 hair here. You want to fight me? Do you know how many I have here? Huh?
Oh. Oh, you boy, it's okay. Biko, please.
You want to fight me? If I show you this one here now, do you think you will stand? After here now, if I show you another one now, you get backward. Nakwalum bread. Nakwalum bread. Najum bread.
The international tell I go answer because not true you talk. If you see me coming,
Najum bread. Sim bread. Kwalum bread.
You mean that? So you see woman pants for trouser?
Men are dogs.
No talk say men are dogs. Talk say some. Because my papa will born me and my brother will be dogs.
Well, maybe they are the exception.
Yeah, so just talk say some. Some of them I beg. But that your in-law, na chronic womanizer. What's he himself the thing?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know? Salt. Like, I hate him right now. I literally despise that man with everything in me. As a matter of fact, I told my sister to quit the marriage should it carry on. Because it is too early for her to suffer that kind of heartbreak.
Well, anyway, now why I know the pity any man will come my way. I dey pity them all and they deal with them. And now, I don't decide say, if one man just usually come my way, I go pin him down. Because now what they deserve.
Salt, please. You still don't get it, do you? How are you going to pin him down? These men are dogs. You don't pin down a dog. How do you intend to do it?
Babe, Kimanka, Imankozo. Kimanka, Imankozo. You see that Baba I tell you about? I'll go see her. Ingo give me something we can use pin these men down. So,
are you serious?
If the teacher are not pin them down, me have feet. Are they serious?
I guess that is what they deserve. Because these folks are dogs.
Let you know. No pity, no pity zone.
So. Anyway, I guess that is what men deserve. Because these folks are not our brothers.
Baby, you promised you were spending the night with me today.
Baby, I told you what happened. If I should sleep here tonight, my results are another thing. Huh? Huh?
Okay, it's fine. So you're spending the night with me tomorrow?
Let me go settle her tonight. Then I'll come back and be with you tomorrow.
Okay, baby boy. Let's go one more round. Because, you know, no one does it better than you.
You will kill me, oh.
Me?
You will kill me, oh.
Yeah. Nothing there there. I go put soda part. I put foam.
Go do and make package.
Yeah, go back too.
I hope you go do her very well.
Yeah.
Very, very well.
No, but fine, you go to like her.
Okay. I trust you and I make me come on.
No, do your hips. Hips. You know hips, but just put hips zero. Nothing there there. Now just bone and your leg. For me. Yes, no need. Nothing there hips. So I put hips zero. Oh. You go.
So
okay,
now,
okay.
how much?
5,000 plus zip. Now that inner zip I will use for this cloth. 6,000.
Customer, now 5,000 I will give you. Make I give you 3,000.
Because I won't make you customer.
No problem. Make I give you 3,000. Now when I call collector, I will give you a balance 2,000.
Thank you. So,
I'll come for
no
you
problem.
guys.
No
Alright,
problem.
now thank you very much.
Oh, you go. You're not change them.
They have to change it. I fought with her. I fought her.
I told you.
I beg, help me check if the yards are complete.
Okay. They think you don't know what you are doing. They will cheat you.
I said it.
Remove half yard inside.
The trouble I gave to her is like bicycle. It's not hard to start.
Now so. They think they are smart. So you say it's 4 yard, Daddy?
Just help me check it.
I'll check it now. Nice one.
The next thing you see, I'm the high.